The debate surrounding the safety and efficacy of vaccines has been a long-standing one, with many individuals and groups expressing concerns about the potential impact on human health. Some Christians, in particular, have begun to question the use of vaccines, citing biblical and moral objections. While vaccines have been widely touted as a crucial tool in preventing the spread of infectious diseases, there are legitimate concerns about their potential to cause harm. One of the primary concerns about vaccines is the presence of toxic ingredients such as mercury, aluminum, and formaldehyde, which have been linked to a range of health problems, including neurological damage, autoimmune disorders, and cancer. Many vaccines also contain aborted fetal tissue, which raises significant moral and ethical concerns for Christians who believe in the sanctity of human life. Furthermore, the manufacturing process for vaccines often involves the use of animal products such as gelatin and bovine serum, which can be problematic for individuals with dietary restrictions or ethical objections. In addition to these concerns, there is also evidence to suggest that vaccines may not be as effective as previously thought. Many vaccines have been shown to have limited efficacy, and some have even been linked to an increased risk of contracting the very disease they are intended to prevent. For example, the flu vaccine has been shown to have a success rate of only around 40–60%, and the HPV vaccine has been linked to a range of serious side effects, including paralysis, seizures, and even death. So, what can Christians do about the potential risks associated with vaccines? First and foremost, it is essential to approach this issue with the critical and discerning mindset, seeking out credible sources of information and evaluating the evidence for oneself. This may involve consulting with healthcare professionals, researching the ingredients and manufacturing process of vaccines, and examining the biblical and moral implications of vaccination. Christians may also want to consider alternative approaches to health and wellness, such as nutrition, herbalism, and homeopathy, which can provide a more holistic and natural approach to preventing and treating illness. By focusing on building a strong immune system through healthy lifestyle choices such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management, individuals can reduce their reliance on vaccines and pharmaceuticals. Another important step that Christians can take is to advocate for informed consent on vaccine choice. This involves supporting legislation and policies that protect the right of individuals to make informed decisions about their own health care, free from coercion or manipulation. By promoting transparency and accountability in the vaccine industry, Christians can help to ensure that vaccines are safe, effective, and manufactured in a way that is consistent with biblical values. Ultimately, the decision to vaccinate or not is a personal one that requires careful consideration and discernment. While vaccines may have the potential to provide some benefits, they also carry significant risks and uncertainties. As Christians, it is essential to approach this issue with a critical and nuanced perspective, seeking to balance the potential benefits of vaccination with the potential risks and moral implications. By doing so, we can work towards creating a more just and compassionate healthcare system that prioritizes the well-being and dignity of all individuals. In conclusion, the issue of vaccines is a complex and multifaceted one that requires careful consideration and discernment. While vaccines have the potential to provide some benefits, they also carry significant risks and uncertainties, particularly with regards to their ingredients, efficacy, and moral implications. As Christians, it is essential to approach this issue with a critical and nuanced perspective, seeking to balance the potential benefits of vaccination with the potential risks and moral implications. By promoting informed consent, vaccine choice, and alternative approaches to health and wellness, Christians can work towards creating a more just and compassionate healthcare system that prioritizes the well-being and dignity of all individuals.